Another day, another rejection email. Maybe I should just become a professional napper. Oh my god, even robots are beating me now. You can't even decide what to have for dinner. Think of me as the you. You wish you were. The words are velvet smooth, dripping with power, curling into Echo's mind like smoke. If you're my confidence, we're in trouble. Come on, I'm the best part of you. Look at this face. What's happening? Oh no, this is not how I envisioned my evening. Welcome to the breakdown. Out? There's no out, only loops. Alright, if I'm stuck here, might as well explore.